do so the baby and I'm sure the Ghanaian people say the machines are back on stream and not the engineers no the whole night in no more and no pay information and say BBI okay into Bianca come to them.
And maintenance works normal we are now.
But in fact, when you had major maintenance, or major maintenance, only about 2 months ago, we as a machine here, you mana problem be about plug be home. Now tripping. When it trips, it cannot work as efficient as it's supposed to be. And just because air gas, air pressure. So you have to really work on it. So my young way to marry, I must say the gas, no pressure in the air back as normal as it's supposed to be.
Na honorable ebisu so chese a car a government no ne independent power producers nentem ene no so ka ho bie ami aba bedu this point na nye gas sembia so what here no so
independent power producers no omo no ye ne omo ni gas sembia ye ne omo the fuel to power their machines the omo de ye ne omo ni gas asem. This is specific to Ghana gas. It has nothing to do with the independent power producers. A car energy sector there, it is not any net any chassis. It's been a long-standing issue. The buying at any point in time, we're making sure say ordinary revenues will be clear. They so clear. When so what to say renegotiations be akoso. Any IPPs need be as I renegotiation on some of the contract. Any almost signed previously granted na buying we babemu. Emu be at ya say am renegotiations are. And check I make sure said the Minister of Finance about the press conference, the Yaw monthly press conference, no, actually benefit renegotiation of the Ade Akye for or but the point I'm making is that this specific issue, no, it has nothing to do with IPP's it is an issue about gas. The volume of gas is in every Ghana gas. Then because of their machines not tripping into the fortunately, the problem has been rectified.
Okay. Honorable na Ede Koso ECG Samuel Dubik Mahama resign. It comes as a surprise to Ghana for nyina. Ede Koso.
Oh, last week I met a journalist because I resigned from one station to another station. Any problem there? It's very normal in corporate politics or corporate governance. So managing director be na the letter of the buyer was personal reasons. One children and kase aban de kebi ana aban ye bibinti oni aban nya adwene wan chiremusa I can't speculate on one way taking a decision say baby I would do no wash no mind no or embark on another personal agenda so they kind of say personal reasons it's a bon DSC with ECG the big mama was not and obviously cannot be the only managing director right but being the assembly was serving in mind also on the personal note he wants to move on to another level of the personal endeavors. And I think that we wish him well. He did my kind of say for the service to the country, for the service to Mother Ghana, and we wish him well wherever he's going. But Bonnie BNC, ECG is still intact. More management structure, their deputy managing directors are more board of governance, WOHO. So managing director resign. I'm sure there will be an emergency meeting to get one of the deputies to act until say abide through the board, no, and they're appointing a new managing director. I can assure everybody say ECG is still ECG, so they are not paying Sompa it's very normal in corporate governance. So they can I see an only be generous back of baby a resign a call baby for a personal decision.
Honorable man for call say board no so should follow suit because omofi say cash water flow sikane omone PRC fontem and said that enkoye injebe board no should also follow suit and also
well senior obia on the personal I mean to me and stop the amount for to do their own speculations. Say board no and resign. Any personal, the board is constituted by the president. Yeah, sure. Say the president also 80 amount for consensus. If the president is so minded to change the board, don't forget say board chairman you do 2 months to cry. You opinion of Martins. He assumed office not less than 2 months. President man appointment. You know, I'm sure say the more Kenya, the amount for Kenya or Mutie. I don't believe, in my own opinion, say, board maybe if the president is so minded he wants to do some changes, that is the prerogative of the president. But as it stands now, no, the time is too short for you to do a very holistic change of everything. I think the structures no. If there's some few tweaking here and there, President Pesoria, we will support the president. Yeah, we'll ministry there. As a mother ministry, ECG, all the other agencies, will continue to do supervisory work and give them support whenever they need. But for now, I can assure everybody that ECG is still intact. When the DNC is just the managing director of the company, and I will resign for personal reasons. Okay. ECG is still a going concern. Engineers not quite they are deputy managing directors who can act today until a substantive person is appointed. The DNC will be on Kanakomantolia. Now,
Honorable Sir, Mobrofo Kakrake, say cash water flows at the end, and no
oh, cash water flow mechanism. World Bank for a mechanism here. Don't forget the IPPs, independent power producers. What they do is say, ECG as a client, power, ECG at one individuals. ECG so need the only person or interact with the consumer. One or the one or more power, no better you seek Sompa. Into the cash water flow mechanism is such that the can never talk ECG. You put it together a formula. You did the that's all about it. About cash water flow. The IPPs no, or my form tier 1, and sign the SO is near tier 2. It's the kind of the formula has already been established. Say 10,000 a buyer for 2,000 ma asogri, for 10,000 ma car power, for 10,000 ma we sign it here. Ya can farmer VRA, farmer Bui, farmer all the other SOEs now more Greco, all the other SOEs now. Or more into the energy sector. So that is the whole thing about cash water for mechanism. It's just a mechanism to ensure that all the parties are satisfied by monthly payments. That's all.
Honorable Medawasi Anope Yaminshao.
So that's the Michelle will be many of my maintaining coming Kate. Will be a kind of Michiano.
Martin McCatcher.
That was your four winner. Name Mesro Yamiaduma on Friday. Next week Friday. So Bekaya AstroTurf be a mayor Ahinko. Yamiaduma Fini Yinina.
Okay.
Yamiaduma if you had the airway now, which is the 4th of October. Yabadi be in the Cassia.
Okay.
Now said the woman who sent me Bobo. My said bright more. The day was some parts of women in Bobo Sammy. So we a member of Mumra Ahinko Park and so on Friday, the 4th of October. By 4 o'clock.
Wow.
Near Kwakubiano, a vice presidential candidate here and a pope at the penny saying, I'm not about the Kanona, Yakatasor, Wabaka, and Kohino.
Wow.
Now Yakatasor officially. Yeah, the old Black Star players, any old Kotoko players, no, and you don't be a minimum suffragette, you would see the
yes, suffragette,
I imagine, or Munina Sombeba, Sambolo Circle for Munina Steven Apia, or Munina Sombeba. Na omanema bigina park no na matira omo se ye politician bia dey nimbo na me dey bigina me na so pa
matora bo ye beba na ya ba beta chiri so ye da sepa
nyamisha munyina
yo nza for no bo Collins Adoma Komensa ene ene no akwakodi enkomo na asante wa chichiri mu ECG grid ku kania ni bedum dum so se ba ena wa chichiri mu anopai no
na me fa konya na me boss minister we abaso so one of the ministers I make that say reshuffle and another year so ban for so pa yes
Honorable Collins Adoma Komensa Deputy Minister of Energy
minimum pi
yeah
ni nyuma wo ye na the case me de bona abaso bo ya wo he say emre bi atwani o Deputy Minister bia no so energy saa o ba asem ba Ghana ha why na eba be chirichiri mu ntentem ama Ghana for who see BBC and say na cause what I say but this is the young man who fell at any point in time bia obenya kwa chirichiri information on cordia to dwa no sabi inka Greek for PRO ne
ECG
but he has gone to that extent say matching was so chirichiri
yes
do betia say beti do beka say one tia say so beti Honorable Adoma Komensa is one of the man say
most active very active
for another year this year no me hu so for so pa ya ECG sense member me last week Sunday me ko baby bedru Kumasi adum na a free adum wodu ani a kire the other end the friends asafo no mo dum that inside ko makum then na kosu fancy be one of those things be a problem kakra manya and I do Tuesday and so me coffee sans me drew a free but say abo walk up for the take over no more said items but Nance and Raswan and Sanas drew me if you have a Yamitia and Casanan so much light. No, this is not normal because the Kenyano, I say you don't do maybe I be son. Dynamic suspecting statement in the Bible on Timon so many little cries and I say problem that cry idea. You Becca say. You better massacre crowd on to say a multimarizo, a multimar didn't want to 2 years. Problem
is a politics here, the energy sector na ayintin. Some can say crust na man forward doubt to send group we in your mooking no crono no yes or the BBC.
Okay. So but no credit say Nana po yes do me see fine. Almost in the long as long as it may take no multi see my sabban and only idea about one won't mean take the truth from Napo and so how now almost do me see so once or my Abia bear 1 or 2 3 months time to be based someone from about to say we come back to the normal system until ya ECG there and home and sensema and yam Kenya but honorable Samuel Mr. Samuel big Mahama. Yeah, Ghana for back Canada back or the by ministry. Papa no more point no nipe because when you be a technical person, you want knowledge in the energy.
So a lawyer
needs about energy or not people has problem. People have problem.
Man for said then yanko for engineer or a technocrat near Metina and no replace one person no ye highly a yipa budu a jusunino or ne free on mama no e by and budu ye obi e ba na energy sector. Why Kessie pa and the adjuman to honor no very please.
Make us say, yeah, challenge is Benny who ye. You also had the opportunity working with the minister on but
Bishia Napoa very energetic, very vibrant on for the Juma in the agro no Besiano and also some for the Juma in the agro.
So the profession was there. But yeah, the makers said, do we can do by year or Ghana ham? You say Ghana for that kind of pie, say. A kind of ECG bo. Uncle and President, a Belgium, a Kuahodua, Omoye Juma, Omuncho, Omo light bill.
To me, call airport, no, could do more lights.
Co parliament could do
parliament, no, could do more lights. Among to your lights. No. Emma, the government was giving them money to pay. Yes.
But this year, what you say, well, yes, animal this year, where is the support?
Obabe increased the revenue of ECG
by more than 300%.
Yes.
I know so many 1.2 billion Ghanaian cedis a month.
On the buy ya, Wako first meet ya. And the shoe now, they are saying, you're complaining.
What I say, but we live a very good legacy. Do why? As far as
we did 2 years per
revenue mobilization, minister, why are there? Because now IPPC, independent power producer, can do all these years. Apparently, Bomodia near 2 billion. He was trying man
to ultimate challenge. Independent power producers and say what yes can be a momo and omo power mumra bontain omunkocha omunum omade ne like those no who say o mini de all can middle kaba metua kana e bia metua be half a more than still
and then sometimes to not or renegotiate some of the deals catch some say e can what dey yin say yes and do big in respect on your experts as far as energy is concerned or buy no ya meti makase ni revenue mobilization part
obenye sika ma ECG adwuma no
eno de
but the amount for the journey yes onye sika ma ECG adwuma na also be invest we ECG adwuma no no wo ko to moto ma police for na no never no be
probably obakase bia corporate social responsibility
corporate social
na me de make no at least say sika na nya no bo adwuma ni nyina ho bra
ECG transformers aye mere womo huma yi Kwame Nkrumah person yen sese bi eno wanya sika de bewura mu no hey oye ni stubborn proud
say ewiase de mu se wonye bibia
ene no kre wonya ne pepepe
ade a waye no
waya de
eno nko
2 years our baby di wo ECG no waya de
na SHS universities this state institutions na library no ye niam
kese
eno bosombe so 35% omuntimi nyeje eno na ECG na gusu how ma besi ne ndi o take that board decision no na e boa ma mutimi increase revenue nti no Dubik is gone and his good was a personal reasons
personal
for now yaw yentimi speculate and kai bia nsem bia yenim yentwen as days go by no definitely ye betit nsem ni bi
mate ma yankofa sports nemra na ye besa so aba na yaba beto so e de afri has sports team no esomato.